resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign!
Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign! Mayiga resign!
No longer safe.
Neither are the boys.
This very family I'm talking of is responsible for all the youth in Uganda that are being ferried in the Middle East and their organs are being sold. It is Museveni and his family who are selling innocent Ugandan youth in the Arab world, and they are being extracted of their organs. If you are saying that you're peacekeepers and you're peace lovers, as you say, please, you can't let these things happen and you pretend as if you're not seeing them. By saying we are tired of Museveni, who never existed. Kony was Museveni and Museveni was Kony. He did not stop at that. He went to Kasese and massacred crocodiles, feeding them to lions and leopards. Today we do not know where the king of Bukonzo, the king of Kasese, we don't know where he is. He did not stop at that. He came to Buganda. He went and hijacked our king. He poisoned our king. Our king right now looks like a zombie. Thanks to Museveni. This guy has been committing atrocities of this nature behind our back. Just right on our nose. We didn't know. Museveni is trying to destabilize all the kingdomship. Today, we are standing here at the British Embassy, not by mistake, but to remind you that you people are the ones supporting the devil in Uganda. You are the ones supporting the dictator in Uganda. You are the ones supporting the junta who is killing Ugandans. Today, you even have the audacity of inviting him to a trade summit? Really? Really? The way you love your kingdom, the way you love your queen, is the way we love our kings.
That's right.
Yes. The way you love your Queen Elizabeth is the way we love our Kabaka, Ronald Muwenda. What is good for the geese is good for the gander. Right. If you want your kingdom, respect our kingdoms. Stop supporting a dictator who is destabilizing our country. Enough is enough. British people, the way you allowed Boris Johnson to resign is the way you should come for your devil in Uganda, because it is you keeping him in the chair. You're the ones keeping him enforcing him to the people of Uganda. Enough is enough. Shame on you.
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 British people, shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you. Shame on you.
Shame on you.
Shame on you, Britons.
Supporting a dictator.
You are murderers too. You are murderers too.
Yes.
Other kingdoms in Uganda are being destabilized. You colonized our country. You colonized Uganda. You found very stable kingdomships.
Yes.
Everybody was happy until when you came and started supporting a dictator. Today this dictator has got all the premiers are working for him. Like we have a mayiga in Buganda. He is a direct RDC from Museveni. He is the one responsible for the killing of Ronald Muwenda, our Kabaka.
Our king.
We know that. He's the one behind the killing of our king. If you want your Queen Elizabeth to live, we want our King Ronald to live.
Yes.
Yes.
Preach it, sister.
Preach, sister.
We are very aware that your gold reserves are full and you don't have any gold mine in Britain. We know it is Uganda supplying you with the gold, and the deal is between you and the dictator.
That's why you're
But you do not have to support a dictator if you want the gold. If you succeeded before and came for the appreciate, and the people of Uganda live in peace and harmony, and we can negotiate and give you the gold. But do not keep a man who is killing.
And save our
Who is
lives.
killing girls.
Take the gold and save our lives.
Take your gold,
If you
save our
wanna-
lives.
If you
Yeah.
want to come and take the gold, but leave. Please come and pick your sink. Because Museveni is the sink. He's not a human being anymore. Come and pick your sink out of Uganda and dump it anywhere else. We are tired of it. We've carried enough cross of this devil called Museveni. Please come and take him away.
Yes.
Britons, I'm talking to you. We did not come here by coincidence. It's not a mistake that we are here. We are here to pass a message direct to you because you are hypocrites.
Yes.
Britons,
Yes!
hypocrites.
Yes.
I say it again. Britons, you are hypocrites.
Yes!
You are killing Ugandans.
Why do you have to kill us because of the minerals? Why do you have to support a dictator because of minerals? Why do the people of Karamoja have to die miserably because of you coming to take the marble? Because of you coming to take their gold? You can take your gold as much as you want. They don't need much. They just need to live in peace and harmony. We believe you are behind his monarchy or whatever.
Dictatorship. Dictatorship.
We know you are behind his dynasty because the moment you started saying you are taking refugees to Rwanda, Museveni is the one behind Rwanda. Museveni is the one